Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sharpen your jawline in the Face app in 2026. Do you want a sharper, more defined jawline? The Face app makes it simple to enhance your features, and here's exactly how to do it. Now before we start, the Face app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using just by searching for the Face app application developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you download it and install it, you're gonna launch it and make sure to give it access and permission to access your gallery and camera. Now once you do that, you're gonna it will display all the pictures with the face in them in your gallery. You're gonna choose either one of those pictures, or you can take an instance picture using your mobile device's camera. So you're gonna upload your image, then you're gonna go to the face or reshape section. As you can see here, there are the features. You're gonna click on the features, and here you're gonna find dimples to add cheekbones, sharp chin, jawline, thick eyebrows, cupid's bow, and then eyebrows. You're gonna select jawline to have a sharper jawline. As you can see here, this feature requires a premium version, so you're gonna have to unlock with Pro. You're gonna unlock the Face App Pro feature. Then you're gonna adjust the intensity. You're gonna select jawline or the contour option and adjust the intensity. And when you finish, you're gonna apply and save your results. Now keep it natural and avoid over sharpening, and combine with contour effects. A defined jawline can elevate your photos instantly, so use the Face app smartly for clean and natural results. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.